Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys I am joined by the fan of Roblox, the biggest fan ever, called George. I'm going to invite into a game. Basically what George is going to do is he's going to control the mouse and all that. He's going to show us where to go, so he's going to move our character, and I'm going to shoot the guns at the shark. And guys, yeah, come on George, come around the other side and we'll get this started.
And you control the jump, because last time when we went on this really speedy boat I accidentally
Right,
jumped
let's
off.
both sit like this. Guys, we have to scream like at the top of our voice right now. It's so weird. Right.
Who's the
Ooh,
shark?
who's gonna be the shark? Right, where's my mouse gone?
You've already got 5%.
Red Oliva. Right, okay. Which boat should we have?
We should have the jet ski.
Wait, here.
Okay.
Big jet ski. Unless we want to join this person and see what it's like. No, big boat. We're so going on the jet ski, guys.
Wow.
Right, can you stop jumping?
Control, jump! Jump!
I'll jump.
Evie, don't do that.
One.
There's the pirate ship.
Yeah. Oh, get in the seat.
Ah, no, that's wrong seat. There we go.
Can I press the... There. George, you need to get away from that island. That's the island that the shark comes out of. Right.
Where is the boat?
Whoa, this is difficult. Alright, the shark is here. Right, can you stop tilting us away from the shark?
I'm gonna go towards the shark and start shooting now.
Right.
It's right there.
Right.
Let's go.
George, can you go further up?
It's gonna eat us, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's glitchy, so it can't. Wait, go.
I'm going towards the shark. But there he is. Shoot him! Restart. You need to get a little closer. That's all lost there.
Let's
go.
move.
Right.
Wait until the shark. Right, he's coming out of the water again.
The shark's gonna be killed easily right now.
Yep, literally.
We could just do this all day. Well, that's gonna be an easy round of shark. That was all us.
That's literally all us. We did all of that.
Yeah, guys, we're serious. We did.
Oh no, not this thing. We got 20 points for that. And George, what do you say we buy the rubber ducky?
Yeah.
Wait. I need.
The rubber ducky.
Can I buy it?
Evie, all you need to do is press.
Press.
Yes.
500 teeth. 150 teeth. Here we go.
We got the duck.
Ducky.
Yeah, just place it down and you can relax in it.
Yeah.
Hey, that's still our duck.
Oh, we still got that. We'll place it there and we'll go get it. Huh.
There's gonna be.
I don't like this. Alright, I placed my duck. One. Right, okay, which boat should we have this time?
Jet ski again.
Yeah, we're going to go one round for the jet ski and then we're going for this one.
Yeah, the yacht.
Yacht.
Yacht, the special awesome yacht. So let's join them, see what it's like. Oh, we can't. We don't have enough time.
grill the chicken.
Oh no, Evie, jump out. Ow, 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 ow. Evie, you're in the duck still. Get out of the duck.
Number 2. Right, okay.
Get out of the duck.
Oh, right, this time. No messing about. We've got to get this. Right.
We've got to win this.
This way. Woo, yeah. Making
Go
progress.
towards the pirate ship.
Yes, towards there. Oh wait, the shark's not.
The shark destroyed the pirate ship.
I want to get a better close, so I want to get a little closer. Because I want to destroy his health. Yeah, here we go.
Here we go, just gonna turn.
This is kind of annoying. Oh no, George. Shark's going round in circles, so the shark's behind us. Oh, he's round here. OMG.
Turn, oh god.
Oh gosh. Oh my
It's kind of
my leg. Number 1, we get the red tick. Wait. Right, can we stop? Wait, real quick.
Fly, and fly. We're just in
Wow. Right. Alright, we're gonna quickly place it right here
Let's watch the shark.
and go in the rubber duck.
Let's see what.
Move with the rubber duck. Yeah, let's watch the shark. Okay. What's he doing? Matey, what are you doing?
Just zoom out. Is he just swimming up and down?
No, he's moving. He's making progress. And shark, I'm gonna move.
How
on
did he get the
you.
jet ski? I feel like he shouldn't be able to.
Well,
Do you?
cut us off. We were at an island. Whoa, clean grab.
And a very easy grab. That person
It's
was.
gone deep underwater.
We can't see him. There
Here
we
we
go.
go.
Now he's underwater, but we can see his fin.
Oh no.
No!
Sorry, unicorn boat. Right, okay.
I feel sorry. Once the sharks killed everyone.
Right, let's stop watching. Let's look at the store. So we've got this,
Pink
this.
jet ski
this.
and the yacht.
This one is better than that one.
Yeah, but wait,
With that speed
that one has
says it's got.
more speed, but it's not.
Yeah, this one's got less speed, guys. Don't buy this.
Yeah, Ronald decided to buy it.
And it had less speed. Right.
And that banana boat has the jet ski.
I could have actually got the banana boat.
Yeah, but that was for
799. This one was for 700.
and we could have gotten Hammerhead.
Yeah, we could have gotten Hammerhead, guys. But we've got army weapons now, so we've got the harpoon. And I'm going to equip it. Right, okay. Obviously,
And that
guys,
one,
we need
let's
to
see.
go in our rubber ducky, which we are already in.
Oh
Oh gosh.
What is happening?
Right, we got a rubber ducky for you. We got a rubber ducky for you.
We just
We
fell
got a
through.
rubber
We
ducky.
fell through the roof.
We got a rubber ducky for you. Yes, we're going to do.
It's
Yes.
blocking the entrance.
Guys, I'm so sorry. That's
gonna have
to sadly be it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please do give a like and subscribe. And give a big fat thumbs up to our channel.
And
we will
guys,
see you on
this
next
is our next giveaway.
It says doing something out of this world.
Do something out as
And
well.
if you go. Well, we don't know if these will be giveaways, but if they are, we're just gonna let you know that this is what they look like. So you have like these shoulder things, and then you've got this top, and that will, sadly guys, be it for the video. So we'll have to see you next time. Goodbye. Yeah, no. Bye guys. Give a thumbs up, and another thumbs up, and another thumbs up,
And a lot of thumbs up!
yeah.